Pen and Wash. Church of All Saints, Florence. Video lesson by Vladimir London.
In this video lesson, you'll discover how to use and apply the pen and wash watercolor technique to make a limited color artwork.
Here is the artwork I will achieve by the end of this video lesson. Before creating a big-scale painting, I make a quick sketch on location, capturing the design details of this church and making some decisions on the composition. I am using the pen and wash painting technique to make this small sketch. The drawing was quickly outlined with a waterproof CD marker, so all that is remaining is to add some colors. This church is located in Florence, Italy. It was originally built in the 13th century, later rebuilt in the Baroque style in the 17th century. This church is famous for a fresco of The Last Supper by Domenico Ghirlandaio, one of the first famous early Renaissance painters in Florence. Also, another worldwide famous Renaissance artist, Sandro Botticelli, is buried in this church. With the small sketch complete, I can use it later as a reference image for the bigger artwork. I am now back at the studio, and I begin preparing the half sheet for the high-quality watercolor paper, which is made of cotton and has a 300 GSM weight. This is not paper, which means it is not hot-pressed, it is cold-pressed. I have already prepared the composition drawing for this artwork, which is done in graphite pencil on the reverse side of this tracing paper. I can now outline this drawing once again, in black pen, to transfer the design onto the watercolor paper sheet. From time to time, I can flip open the tracing paper to see the progress and the quality of lines. Transferring a drawing is a rather mechanical step. It requires some patience and accuracy when repeating the outlines. This will take some time, so I will fast forward to the step where the drawing is transferred. With the drawing in place, I will use water-resistant sepia ink to outline this composition once again, using the pen and ink medium. This sepia ink is not waterproof, but water-resistant, which means that it will be slightly diluted by water when I make watercolor washes on top of this drawing. However, this is absolutely fine with me, because such dilution will look quite nice, and slightly fuzzy sepia ink lines will add a bit of charm to this picturesque artwork. There are many different styles of pen and ink hatching, and if you would like to learn to draw with ink, I would suggest checking the Drawing Academy course. In this online video course, you will find numerous lessons on the pen and ink drawing technique. This pen and wash artwork is almost complete, and I like the result. All that is left now is for me to emboss my name, which makes this piece a bit more authentic and special. And to sign this artwork in pen and ink. Here is the finished pen and wash artwork.